Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Germaine and you're joining me here in my garden in Switzerland, Central Europe. We are in a zone 8A and today I would like to prepare lunch for the kids using mostly things that we've been growing in our own garden. So I've been looking at my potatoes and wondering if they're ready. They're not blooming and yet I have all these leaves yellowing down here, and thinking of the timing, I mean I've planted them like, it should be a couple of, when was this? This was the first thing that we planted, so it must have been about early April. So April, May, June, this is end of June. Could be 3 months now. So I'll be pulling one out and then we'll see if it's ready. Ideally, I'll go and take a look at that grow bag and check in there if the potato is ready. But the grow bag is not really delivering what it's promising, so let's see. See that? And I don't want to make a mess here. I don't want to start digging in there now to see if we have any. Nothing. I don't feel any potatoes in there. Oh, Boo Boo, what is it? Are you coming in? You need help? Come on. Hand? No? You're not sure? Alright. I have to get back to my potatoes. So let me see if any of these potatoes is ready for. Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh, we do have potatoes in there. And what size are they? You wanna, Baron? What is it you wanna do now? I just thought I could be lucky enough to get a few potatoes here to cook lunch for the kids for when they come back from school. So let's see. Way too early. Well, not quite way too early. I'll take enough out so I can prepare one meal right now. So I'm just going to pull another one out because I don't think I have enough for lunch. So look at all this. But they're not eating the potatoes, so I think that should be alright. Wow. Look at all those potatoes. This is fantastic. Well, that was a productive plant. Now we definitely have more than we need for lunch. I'm going to clean those and put them into the oven with some chicken, and that should be the lunch for the kids. I think I'll also get one of those. I have a couple of things here that I need to plant, but I'm going to harvest that zucchini, and I have another one over there, so I'll be harvesting that and adding it to my potatoes and my onions. Fantastic. So I'll be getting that. I could leave it to grow a bit longer. I could leave it to grow a bit bigger, but I'm going to be taking that. Look at that beauty. So there I have it. So we're here now in my kitchen where I have already washed, cleaned and cut the potatoes, and I have put them in a glass baking bowl together with the chicken. And I am using everything that I got from the garden. I'm using the onion leaves, the onion bulbs themselves, and later on I'll be adding the zucchini, the green and yellow zucchini that we got from the garden. So once I've chopped and added all the garden ingredients, what I'm going to be adding next is just some olive oil and a little bit of black pepper. I have already put salt when I was seasoning the potatoes, and I'm going to put that all now in the oven and let it cook for about 40 minutes. While the chicken and potatoes are now in the oven, I can focus on cutting the zucchini, and I'm just going to, do some squares, some circles, and some triangles. I mean, it doesn't really matter which shape you cut the zucchini. I personally tend to like it when they are bigger pieces rather than smaller ones, just because I like the taste of the vegetable being really crunchy after it's been either in the oven or just in a frying pan. I still want to have that taste of the fresh vegetable when I'm eating it. And obviously, if we had more things ready to harvest in the garden at this point in time, I would have obviously added them to the dish, like carrots, pumpkins, maybe even tomatoes. But the zucchini and the onions and the potatoes are what we have right now. That is all that we've been able to harvest, and I just wanted to have this dish as garden fresh as possible. So the chicken and the potatoes have been cooking now for about 40 minutes, and it's the right time for me to add the zucchini. I prefer it this way because the zucchinis just having about 20 minutes in the oven leaves them still very fresh and crunchy. So that's really it. After 60 minutes in the oven, everything is ready for eating. Bon appetit, thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.